Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the bees. Bees have three body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head has eyes, antennae, and mouth parts for seeing, smelling, and collecting nectar. The thorax holds the wings and legs, allowing the bee to fly and gather pollen. The abdomen stores nectar and pollen and has the digestive system. Bees also have a stinger for protection. Their body is covered with tiny hairs that help collect pollen from flowers. Bees are also divided into different species, and these specific species are distributed in different regions, such as eastern honeybees in Asia, Africanized bees in Africa, and western honeybees in America, Europe, and Oceania. A bee colony has three types of bees: the queen, worker bees, and drones. The queen lays eggs. Worker bees do most of the work, and drones mate with the queen. Most of the bees are worker bees, with only one queen and a few drones. The growth process of a bee involves several stages. It begins with the egg, which is laid by the queen bee. After about 3 days, the egg hatches into a larva. The larva is fed royal jelly or worker jelly, depending on whether it will become a queen, worker, or a drone. Over the next few days, the larva grows quickly and molts several times. Once the larva reaches a certain size, it is sealed in a cell by worker bees and begins its pupation stage. During this stage, the larva transforms into a pupa, where it develops into the doll bee. After about 12 to 14 days, the adult bee emerges from the cell. A beehive is a structure where bees live and work together. It is made up of hexagonal cells that be built with beeswax. The hive is used to store honey, pollen, and raise baby bees. Inside the hive, there is a queen bee, worker bees, and drones, each with specific job. The bees work together to keep the hive warm, protected, and gather food. The hive is strong, and it can be repaired by the bees if needed. Bees are essential for pollination. When a bee visits a flower to collect nectar, it brushes against the flower's anthers, which hold pollen. The pollen sticks to the bee's body. As the bee moves to another flower, some of the pollen is transferred to the stigma, the female parts of flower. This process helps fertilize the flower, allowing it to produce seeds and fruit. Through this, bees contribute to the reproduction of many plants. Air pollution has reduced the visits of pollinating insects to plants by 70%, with a 90% increase in the frequency of their contact with flowers in recent years. Heavy pesticide use in agriculture, climate change, and habitat loss have led to a significant decline in pollinating insects. Currently, about 75% of flowering plants and 35% of economic crops rely on insect pollination. If this harmful cycle continues, it will pose a serious threat to both ecosystem and human food security. However, not all bee species are so friendly. Among the many types of bees, hornets, especially the Asian giant hornet, cause significant harm to both honeybees and humans. For instance, in 2013, hornets attack led to the death of 33 people in China. They continue to threaten other bee populations in North America to this day. Bees play a crucial role in our ecosystem, especially in pollination. They help transfer pollen between flowers, which is essential for the reproduction of many plants, including crops like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without bees, the production of these plants would be significantly reduced, affecting food supply and biodiversity. Additionally, bees contribute to maintaining balanced ecosystems by supporting the growth of various plants, which in turn provides food for other animals. Thus, bees are vital for both agriculture and the health of environment. Bees play a crucial role in the pollination and reproduction of plants, and they are also invaluable helpers for humans. In the rapidly developing modern world, we must consider how to strike a balance between ecological conservation and economic development. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.